Hello, Click Designers! This video is going to help you master templates for Twitter or X using ClickDesigns social media. So after you've logged into your account and are on your dashboard, simply go to the Templates section by clicking on the Templates tab over here. The Template section allows you to navigate different categories of templates on ClickDesigns. So from here, simply click on the Socials tab. The Template section allows you to navigate different categories of templates with ClickDesigns. So from here, simply choose Socials. And since this tutorial is going to focus on the templates for X, let's click on that category. This is going to give us different options of posts that we can make with different types of templates. So first, we have templates for the X profile photo, templates for a landscape post, templates for portrait, templates for a square post, templates for an image, and finally, templates for a cover. You also always have the option to start from scratch by clicking on that option over here. Now let's start with working with a template. So once you've browsed through all of your options and find one that you want to work with, simply click on this magnifying glass over on the corner to preview the design and click on Use Template. Now that we have our ClickDesigns editor opened up, let's start by changing our background. So simply click on the Background tab. I want to change this plain background into a gradient. So I'm going to choose gradient over here, and I'm simply going to change the color tones to my liking. Now that I have my light gradient, I'm going to go to the texture tab. I'm going to just search for a texture to add to my design. To do this, simply choose a category. I'm going to go with retro, then upload your texture to your canvas. Then I'm going to lower the opacity of my texture just to make sure that my gradient from earlier can still shine through. Next, let's change the colors of our elements. To do this, simply choose said element and click on Edit Color. From here, I'm just going to change the tone of our color using this dropper icon. I'm just going to choose this light brown, and I'm going to do the same thing for the rest of my elements. Finally, let's work with the text of our design. Simply choose the body of text that you want to edit and make your changes. First, let's change the font of this header. So I'm just going to highlight this entire text box, and I'm just going to choose a font from the given options. Once I have my chosen fonts, I'm just going to make additional changes, such as making it bold and also adding an effect onto my text. Let's add a glow pattern and let's edit the color as needed. Now I'm just going to do the same thing with the rest of the text in our design, just to make sure that the entire thing is cohesive. You can also adjust the sizing and spacing of your text to your liking. Now, once you are finished and happy with all of your changes, don't forget to click on the Save button over here up top. You can actually download it directly from the editor by clicking on the Download button over here and filling up all of the download settings, and again clicking on Download. From here, you can also go back to your dashboard and view your new design over here. You can preview your edit and of course always go back to the editor to make any additional last-minute changes. So that is everything that you need to know when it comes to mastering X templates with the help of ClickDesigns social media. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that this tutorial was helpful.